Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is the EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the back of the box there is some product information with the contents in the package, as well as specifications and warnings for this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. And on one side of the box there are some specifications for battery and compliance details for the product. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box flap at the top and taking a look directly inside of the box. Let's tip the contents out and slide them on the tabletop, and just making sure that we've removed all the contents from this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fans box packaging. I'm going to now set that box to the side, just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and spreading the contents across the tabletop as well, so you have that full and clear initial look of the contents of this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. Okay, so starting with this slip here, or folded booklet or pamphlet or product sheet, giving you a look at the details that's printed on it. So it is an instruction manual, as well as containing some information about the specifications and operating precautions with this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. So just setting that user guide or user manual to the side on the left, and moving right along, we do have a white USB type A to USB type C cable right here. And to give you some sense of its length, I'm just going to undo the cable tie and giving you a look at the length of this cable. So it is what appears to be a charging cable for the portable turbo fan. It's right there, USB type A on one end and USB type C on the other. Okay, so just setting that on the right hand side of the tabletop so that we can move right along to the next item, which is this bundle here. So taking a look, what appears to be a lanyard. So we're just going to slip that white rubber band off and giving you a look at this lanyard with this silvery grey strap or material for part of its design, and we can see an adjustable toggle as well in plastic along with the ends and the loops right at the tips of them. Okay, and setting that down right next to the USB cable, and finally moving on to the main product itself, giving you a look as it is, still in its translucent plastic packaging. Now let's go ahead and slide that packaging off, and I'm just going to set that to the side on the right and giving you a look at this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. giving you that full look of all its aspects, and of course resting it in my palm as well to give you some sense of the size of this portable fan or handheld fan. So it does have a decent weight to it. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see it's overall black in color with some flat grey details and a silver or matte silver trim around the edge of the front of the fan. And taking a look directly at the back, we can see the grille at the back, as well as the EasyAcc branding, as well as specifications and certifications printed on the rear of the body of this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. Okay, so giving you a sense of the fan, and as you can see, the top or head of the fan does swivel a little bit more than 180 degrees from the front all the way to the back of the handle or body of the fan. So you can see it does have this very ergonomic styling to the grip or handle of the fan or body of the fan. Now let's go ahead and turn it on, but before we do that, actually just giving you a close-up look to the USB-C charging port. So to the left of the fan, if you're looking at it from the rear. So simple design with that USB-C charging port to one side of the fan, and we can see two loops there for the lanyard to attach onto for hanging. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn it on. So we do have a button at the front. So let's press that button and see what happens. It's right there. Had to double tap it and just pressing and holding to turn it off. Let's try that again. So long pressing, when it's off, it doesn't do anything. So it requires a single tap. Let's just double check that. So giving you a look again as I press on the button. Just a single tap will turn the fan on, and you can see with that front circular LCD displaying the remaining battery reserve. So showing 84 and green fan symbol right next to it. So let's tap on that button again, and it's now showing 2. It does sound slightly louder motor speed. So it does have 5 motor speeds or fan speeds. Let's go ahead and tap it again. So you can see that number increasing on that front screen from 02 to 03, and of course still displaying or reverting back to that power reserve or capacity display of 84. Let's tap button again. Right now showing fan speed of 4. Now let's press again, and fan speed of 5. So very clear display, as you can see there. I do believe that there's still that plastic protective film protecting that front LCD screen. Okay, so I'm going to press it again, button to turn it on. Just a simple soft touch. and just going through the 5 fan speeds right there. So very simple to operate with one-handed operation, as you can see right there, as I toggle through once again the fan speeds. And let's see if we can shut it off from any speed by long pressing. And right there, long pressing on the only button on this unit does turn it off. So once again, turning on just requires a simple tap of the button, and long pressing at any speed turns it off instead of having to cycle through all 5 speeds. And let's test the stability right there. We can see no problems there with the design, and plenty of throughput with air being pushed out through this handheld unit. So giving you a sense of the fan speed and noise as well. Of this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. And let's give you a sense of the lanyards as well. So if we can strap these lanyards through, so just a simple operation of attaching or fixing the detachable attachments. As you can see, depress the clips to the side and it does detach for that portability and convenience when it comes to just hanging this portable fan around one's neck, giving that hands-free operation. So now just clipping the lanyard in place, and as such you can strap it around your neck, and of course have it the body or handle of the fan resting against your chest, and then having it blow directly into your face just by means of using this detachable lanyard. Of course it is adjustable as well, so if you're completely stationary, just standing still, it will function quite nicely that way with that hands-free operation. Okay, so once again, just gonna give you a look, going through the different fan speeds again. That's the maximum, the highest motor speed at 5, and you can see that the battery's reserve capacity has gone down to 83 from when we started with 84. And now let's go ahead and give it a quick charge as well to see what it's like. So obviously attaching the USB-C cable end to the body of the fan, and I'm just going to detach the lanyard just to keep things a little bit tidier that way. And over here I have a Charge Premium 21,000 milliampere hour power bank, which I've unboxed on the YouTube channel before, and it's nearly 10 years old from that unboxing video. Now let's go ahead and, of course, plug the Type A end to the power bank. And you can see now it is charging, and it does have that lightning or charging indicator just blinking away there very gently. or slowly, and of course displaying the current battery reserve capacity of 83. And let's see if we can turn it on by pressing on the power button on the middle again. And there we go. Operating as per normal while charging. And we can go through those 5 motor speeds or fan speeds of this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. And of course, I should give you a look directly from the back as well. Now, once again, giving you a close-up look as I turn the fan on. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 motor speeds for this EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. So many ways it can be positioned. And they're just turning off the power bank and of course disconnecting the USB-C cable. There, once again, an overall look at this fan. And its various operating or motor speeds. So that's the EasyAcc portable handheld turbo fan. Thanks for watching and happy blowing!